Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. Here we bring you all kinds of solutions, whether it's a fast fix or an in-depth tutorial. We are here to make problem solving easy for you. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to fix Reddit login error. First of all, you can open the settings and here you can scroll down, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. Before moving further toward in the video, please consider subscribing to Solution Lab and hit the bell icon so you will get notified of our latest videos. Now coming back to the video, you can just simply scroll down and here you can find Reddit. After finding the Reddit, you can tap on offload app. After offloading the app, the issue is solved. If the issue is not solved, you can go to the app store and search Reddit. After searching the Reddit, you can make sure that you updated the latest version of the Reddit app. If you can't update, you can go to the App Store or Play Store and update the latest version of your app. And after this the issue is not solved, you can just simply uninstall the app or reinstall it. After reinstalling, the issue is 100% solved. If this tutorial helped to solve your problem, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more solutions. And as always, if you have any question or need further help, drop a comment below. We are here to help you. See you in the next one.